You're making a shooter game in Unity, but you're having difficulty with the weapon setup. Right now, you're using a rifle animation like this, but what if you need a custom weapon animation like this? Maybe you want different characters to have different poses for the same weapon. So, do you need to create all that animation again manually? And what about correct aiming and recoil? It's so frustrating just trying to get your weapon attached to your character. This is exactly my problem when making shooter games, and that's why I'm creating this tool. You just drag your character and weapon, adjust the bone offsets and weapon offset, and you're done. Now you have procedural weapon animation for your character. About recoil, just tweak the scriptable object and you're done. Create any weapon type you want with any pose you want. Call it from code with ease. Focus on creating your game, not creating the weapon system. Let Auto TPSIK handle the weapon system for you. You can learn more about this tool by clicking the Visit Site button.